You could make the best song of your life and no one would care. Not because it's bad, but because you have no brand. People scroll past your music not because they hate it, but because they don't feel anything from it. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to build a brand people care about, one that actually turns strangers into real fans. If you're an indie artist, your brand is the only reason someone stops. Branding is not your logo, not your fonts, not the aesthetic you stole from Pinterest. Branding is a feeling. It's what people feel the second they hear your name or watch your video. That feeling comes from identity. Think Billie Eilish. She's vulnerable and eerie. The Weeknd is broken and cinematic. Joji is lo-fi heartbreak. All of that was built on purpose. Your brand is the emotional world your music lives in. Here are the three pillars of your artist brand. Number one, who are you? Not your job, not your genre. What version of you is the artist? The soft romantic, the rebel, the quiet thinker? Pick one version of yourself and commit to showing that everywhere. It's not a persona, it's focused authenticity. Number two, what do you stand for? Branding is repetition, and that means choosing one emotional space. Are you healing, escaping, grieving, dreaming? If your music feels like late night reflection, then everything around it should too. Your captions, your visuals, your voice. And number three, why should they care? No one follows music, they follow meaning. And if you can communicate a belief, not just a beat, people start seeing themselves in you. And once they do, they stick. Here are the three steps to get started on your artist brand. Step one, write your identity in one sentence. Use this formula. I make type of music for type of person who emotional belief. For example, I make soft pop music for people who overthink about love. And use this line everywhere. Your Spotify, Insta bio, Press Kids. It's not just for them, it's for you. This is your brand. Step 2. Pick your visual world. Let me show you what this looks like. This is what most artists post. Raw. No vibe. Technically fine. Emotionally empty. Same camera, same light. But now it feels like something. That's branding. It's not about gear, it's about consistency. And once you define your look, your audience starts recognizing your content before they even hear your music. Your content isn't the brand, it's the proof of it. Choose and stick to these three. A color palette. Do you like warm tones, neon, pastels, framing style, handheld, close up, or static and wide? Lighting, soft and glowy, or dark and contrasty? Lock it in. Build everything in that world. Your brand becomes recognizable through visual repetition. Step 3. Set one simple system and repeat it. Think format, not platform. A few examples. Every release comes with a moody acoustic clip. Or once a week, you post some lyric stories about why you wrote that lyric in a specific style. Keep it simple. If you can't do it for 6 months, it's too complex. Consistency builds your brand, and repetition builds memory. Most artists are waiting to go viral, but the smart ones are building a brand. Your music is the product, your brand is the reason people care about it. If you're serious about growing your audience the right way, grab my Spotify guide below or join my email list for weekly strategies. And if you need help finishing your songs, I produce and mix master for indie artists just like you. So work with me on your next release. Check out my website below. Subscribe for more. Peace.